You know what's even better than fried chicken? Ayam Geprek, Indonesian fried chicken with a killer sambal. I'm going to show you how to make this popular dish and throw in my secret technique for frying chicken without the mess. Let's start with the sambal first. Quick fry your chillies, garlic, shallots and tomato just till they soften. Blend everything with a piece of toasted sambal. Just a few pulses. You want the sambal slightly chunky, not smooth. Top with spring onions for extra aroma and then pour sizzling hot oil over to bloom the flavors. Finish with a pinch of sugar and a squeeze of lime. And now for my secret frying chicken tip. Mix your frying flour, divide into two, half dry, half wet. Coat the chicken pieces in the dry mixture, then wet, then back in dry again. Air fry for 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until golden and crunchy. And spoon over that fiery sambal. So good, I tell you. For the full recipe, head over to cookwithipobunny.com. Enjoy!